Hello everyone! Welcome to our new video. Today, I'll show you how to scan and find something on Google. First, open the Google app or your browser. Tap the camera icon in the search bar to open Google Lens. If prompted, grant permission for the app to access your camera. Now, point your camera at the object, text, or image you want to scan. Google Lens will automatically recognize the item and show you related results. If you're using the Google search bar, you can also manually type or paste the information you're looking for. That's it. You've successfully scanned and found information on Google. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.